So, I pretty much suck at chess. So I had an idea. I could learn chess and practice my openings, or practice the endgame, or some other rules. But instead of this, I thought I could build a chess AI. So let's dive right into it. I thought, first of all, I need a chess game, because I cannot run my AI on chess.com or Lichess. So I need to build it myself or download something from GitHub. The second thing is I need the AI. So I'm gonna code it and think about it, how I do this, and do some research about it and document this. The third part and the best part of this video is I'm gonna play against it. I'm a 500 rated chess player, so I'm not that good, but can the AI beat me? Let's see. So, a little side note before we start. This video is not gonna be about me explaining how I coded the chess game, but instead you have some time lapses of me doing it and some clips of me crying about some bugs. This video is about the AI behind it. I'm gonna explain the AI in more detail than the chess game, because this is what this channel is all about. So if this is clear, we can start the video. So, I found this guy on YouTube. He explains everything about the chess game and drawing the board. For example, here moving the pieces. I watched some of it. I just clicked a little bit through. I leave a link to him below in the description because I think he's gonna help me a little. So I found out I have to build the game on my own completely because I just did not found a good game on GitHub or something like that. So I'm gonna build it now. You guys just see me in some time lapses. Oh man, I just get errors every time I run this shit. My chessboard is complete. It doesn't move in the UI, but you can see here D2, D4. He prints it out, but it doesn't move. It doesn't move. Oh, holy shit. My mind was exploding. Oh, I can move every piece now. Okay. That's really nice, okay. Whew. So, today is day 2 of the project. Yesterday I finished the basic features of the game, and today I'm gonna do these special things like check, checkmate and castling. These special chess moves. I don't know how I'm gonna implement that, but it's gonna be pretty hard, I think. So let's go in. So I just implemented the check feature and I'm just trying it out right now. So I go here, check, and he cannot move in them. So now I have to implement checkmate and stalemate. So I think I will quickly make a checkmate. So the idea is simple. So this is a checkmate, and there's no valid moves. The king can't move here, or can't capture, but the game can still run. Can't run. So I have to implement a feature that does a checkmate when this situation comes in. Okay, so I implemented this feature right here. If a pawn gets pinned, For example, like this, it should and cannot move. But I can move here and it takes, and then I can move here, but I cannot move this piece. If I take it, then I can move. So this was day 2. I did some things and I will show you right now. So I did stuff like this. You can now check the king and do a checkmate. Check and the king cannot move. So I have to do this and then this and check, and he can move here. But he cannot move back. If I still stand here, he cannot move here. This, this, this and this. And this is a rule in chess, so you can capture here, but the pawn isn't removing. That's a little bug I have to fix tomorrow. Yeah, then I will get the castling thing down tomorrow too. Thanks for sticking with me. So another day, I added these features, some UI stuff like this and this, and you can castle now. I will show you. Check, and you can move here, so you can move here, and this. So now I can castle like this. And I didn't fix the bug. It's day 4 and it's really annoying. But if I fix this bug, this game is ready, and then we can do this AI stuff. So I found this cool bug. Let me show. Okay, now if I move this rook will disappear. Oh man, I think this is chess. Did you just see that? It works. The king is castled. Holy shit, it was a ton of work. Okay, so now I'm gonna explain the Minimax algorithm to you with a PowerPoint presentation. So first of all, the Minimax algorithm is a decision-making algorithm for two-player games like chess, and the goal is to find the best move possible. The idea is to evaluate all the moves and choose the best one with the best outcome for the player, and it assumes that the opponent plays perfectly. It first generates all possible moves, then as I said, it simulates the best response that the opponent could make. It assigns a score to every position on the board with the material, so it evaluates all the material in chess. Each piece has a value and then it sums it all up, and then it chooses the best move. So an example is this. Imagine a simple chess position with 2 possible moves. Yeah, I see that I wrote 2 possible moves and then the picture is saying many possible moves. So imagine a chess position with this many moves. So you can take the pawn, you can move up a pawn, you could go with the knight, something like all this different stuff. And each move leads to a different evaluation of the board, and Minimax selects the best move possible. So the conclusion is, Minimax helps AI choose the best move in chess, and it's used in modern chess engines for strategic play. So now we go to my implementation. Here I have the implementation of the algorithm. I'm going to go through it and explain some things. This is a dictionary that assigns values to each piece to later evaluate the board strength. So this determines the best move by using the Minimax algorithm. With a search depth of 3, I can put it up to 10, but then it loads. This maximizes the score for white and minimizes the score for black right here. And this is the Minimax algorithm. It just evaluates the board positions recursively by considering the future moves and going through all the moves that are possible. And as I said in my explanation, it assumes that the opponent plays the best moves. So we have no moves left and checkmate or stalemate. Okay, so I just put some comments right here to explain it a little bit more in detail. It starts here with the lowest possible score, minus infinity. Then it iterates through the valid moves list and calls the minimax for the opponent's move. And then it chooses the highest score and returns the best possible outcome for the maximizing player. Pretty clear, I think. Here it starts with the highest possible score, math.infinite. It calls minimax for the opponent's move and chooses the lowest score because black wants to minimize it. And returns the worst possible outcome for the minimizing player. So here for black and here for white. If you want me to do a full tutorial about it, implementing this and explaining every single thing, why this is working, just let me know in the comments.
Yeah, falling into love hurts just as much as falling out of it. But I'll scrape my knees and scar my shins. I hope you never doubted that I'm down for you. Wanna hit the town, make it loud, be a clown for you, or maybe we could be.
Let's play a game against it. I'm just started. Let's play a game against my chess AI. So I'm white. So I'm gonna do this is my standard opening the London system. If you know chess, you know what I'm gonna do next. And this is pretty interesting because the AI is programmed to capture as much as it can because it looks at material every move on the board. So it's gonna capture this right now, I think, but he loses more material, so it don't capture, I guess. So I can just play my standard moves, or I can attack it so it moves away. Okay, it's attacking my bishop right now. I think I'm gonna protect it. It's moving the rook. Okay, so I can attack it, and if it takes, I take back. Oh, it protects. This is really interesting. So I'm gonna go here, and I'm gonna go here, and I'm gonna go right here. I don't know what it does with this the whole time. I think it's a little bug. I think I do like this, then it's moving. So if it takes, I take. It goes here, check. Okay, so I can not castle. Oh, this is okay. I can take here. I think this is really interesting. Why does it do that? There's a part 2 needed where I fix this and I make it better. Let's just play and look what it does. I think if I go here, it goes away with this and goes here. No, it lets me take it because it can take back. And then it has my it has my other knight. Okay, interesting. I'm not that good at chess. So, oh, it does a fork on me. It forks me right here and here. So I think I go here because if it takes here, I can take here. Oh, okay, it doesn't take it. Puts me in check. I cannot castle. Fuck. I think I will just do. Yeah, I go here. It thought pretty long right here. So I'm gonna go here so it moves away. Oh, it captures here. Oh, okay, but it loses material. So, he sees that. Oh, okay, that's pretty smart. I'm not that good at chess, as I said, but that was pretty smart. So how can I protect myself? If I go here, it goes here or here, I think. It goes here. Oh, that is it doesn't take because if it takes, I take here. So I need to. Oh, I'm in check. Oh my! I cannot. Oh, it puts me in mate. In a little bit. Oh, if it goes up, I'm going down. Oh, he did this move, and then I thought the AI is really stupid at this game. So, but now, holy shit! I just got my knight, and he does have everything. I don't know. I'm just gonna go. I don't really know here, and then he does here. Oh, it protects me. Okay, gonna go back. Oh, I did not see that. Holy shit! I'm fucked. I am fucked. No, fuck. It takes everything I have in my life. Yeah, I take here, and then it takes here, and I'm in check, so I go here. And then here. I don't know what it does, but no. That's mate pretty soon. That's checkmate. Did I just found a bug? Oh, I cannot. Let's see the replay. I think I just found a bug. I'm gonna watch the replay and then I will show. Okay, I watched the replay and it wasn't a bug. I just thought that he shouldn't have moved here, but definitely he could. So he did. I lost against my stupid Minimax algorithm AI. So, as I said, I'm not that good. I have like a 500 rated elo. If you guys want to see more that kind of videos, for example, me doing this with reinforcement learning or any other videos related to mathematics or to AI, leave a comment below and thank you for watching.